हाँ जी, good morning everyone. Today, 13th of September 2021, Monday morning, first period, we will be going to revise our history chapter, that is New Kings and Kingdom. And this will be evaluated on 16th of September. So first point, what we have to learn from this, Rashtrakutas and about their how they had maintained their own as and become as our rulers or a king. So for that they want Rashtrakuta, the chief clans of Chalukyas, overthrown their power, overthrown their you can say overlords, and become as a king by performing a task of Hirnaya Garbha. Can you tell me what is Hirnaya Garbha? Hirnaya Garbha literally means golden womb. And when this ritual was performed with the help of Brahmanas, it was thought to lead the rebirth and the sacrificer as Kshatriya. And it was those who was not by birth. जो birth में नहीं है, but they are performing the Hirnaya Garbha and becoming as the kings or becoming as the Kshatriyas. Will you be able to learn Hirnaya Garbha? I'll give you 1 minute. Please learn and write. Hurry up. Hanji, first question again. Who defeated Muhammad Ghori in 1191? कौन बताएगा? Hanji beta. Prithviraj Chauhan. Write down this answer. Hurry up. Dash defeated by Prithviraj Chauhan. Muhammad Ghori was defeated by in 1191. Okay. Literally meaning of Hirnaya Garbha. हाँ जी, golden. Okay, golden womb. Okay. Name the two Brahmanas who gave up their profession and carved out kingdoms. दो ऐसे ब्राह्मणास का नाम बताइए जो हिरनाया गरबा के रिचुअल्स के थ्रू किंग्स बने थे. यस अजितेश. हाँ. कदम्बा, मयूर स्वरम, मयूर शर्मन एंड गुजारा प्रतिहारा हरिश्चंद्र. ठीक है, गुजारा प्रतिहारा हरिश्चंद्र एंड कदम्बा मयूर शर्मन. प्लीज राइट डाउन. हु रोट किताब उल हिंद? किताब उल हिंद किसने लिखी थी? तरन. किताब उल हिंद नहीं पता. यस रमीन. Al-Biruni, who has written किताब उल हिंद. जल्दी से ये सारे शॉर्ट आंसर्स लिखिए. Then I will explain next. हाँ जी, युवा. Question is literally meaning of Hirnaya Garbha. Okay, golden womb. Two Brahmanas who gave up the Brahmanas and become as a ruler. नहीं learn. 10 टाइम लिखेंगे. हाँ जी, जयवीर. मैंने बैठने को नहीं कहा. हाँ जी. मयूर शर्मन. ठीक है. हाँ जी, हो गए लर्न. समरी, stand up. Who defeated Muhammad Ghori in 1191? Okay, बैठिए. Who wrote Kitab ul Hind? Last. Al-Biruni. Okay, fine. Up to this, all questions are learned. Tanish, Harshit, learn हो गए बेटा जी. Aditi. हाँ जी, the functionaries of collecting revenue. Revenue collect करना जो होता था, that was given a task to the peasants, to the traders, to the artisans or to the influential families. किसको दिया जाता था? ट्रेडर्स को दिया जाता था. नो, influential families को दिया जाता. अजितेश, is it okay? हाँ जी अजितेश. Land gifted to brahmanas were called. Land gifted to brahmanas were called. ब्राह्मा. लैंड गिफ्ट, हाँ जी बेटा, ब्रह्म देवा. कोई बात नहीं, दोबारा लर्न कीजिए. अभी यहाँ तक एमसीक्यूज और शॉर्ट आंसर सारे लर्न हो गए. जिसको नहीं हुए हैं आई विल रिवाइज अगेन इफ इट इज नॉट बीइंग लर्न. हो गए लर्न? 10 टाइम लिखिए. ओके. कलहान. कलहान composed a poem about the ruler of Kashmir. Is it true or false? Kalhan composed the poem about the ruler of Kashmir. Is it true or false? Hanji Vipul. It is true. Yes, Kalhan has composed the poem related to king rulers of Kashmir. Next आ जाते हैं back exercise question. What were the qualifications necessary to become the member of a committee of Sabha in the Chola Empire? चोला अंपायर में सभा के मेंबर बनने के लिए क्या क्या क्वालिफिकेशन रिक्वायर होती थी? नंबर 1, they should be the owner of the land in which the land revenue has to be collected. They should have their own homes. They should be in between the age of 35 to 70 years. They should have the knowledge of Vedas and they should be well dressed in the administrative matter and honest. Is it okay? So I'll give you 2 minutes to revise this answer and write it down in your notebooks. Hurry up. Hanji beta ji, who will be going to give the answer? What are the qualifications necessary to become the member of the committee of a Sabha in the Chola Empire? Last. Okay. They should be honest and they should have the knowledge of a Veda. Okay. Next question आ जाता है. How did Rashtrakutas become powerful? Rashtrakuta powerful कैसे बने? Rashtrakutas become powerful because they were the Samantas or subordinate of the Chalukyas of Karnataka. They were the Samantas or subordinates of the Chalukyas of Karnataka. They asserted their independence from their overlords. Overlords मतलब अपने ही किंग्स के थ्रू उनको रिलीव करके अपनी इंडिपेंडेंट चार्ज जो है वो इन्होंने संभालनी शुरू. In the mid-8th century, Danti Durga, a Rashtrakutas chief, overthrew his Chalukya overlords and they performed the rituals known as Hirnaya Garbha, literally meaning golden womb, and so they made their contribution and made their own kingdom in a very successful way. Is it okay? सारे पॉइंट्स को इकट्ठा करना है कि राष्ट्रकूटा कैसे बने? Because they were the Samantas और subordinate of their Chalukyas. ठीक है, अपने राजाओं के सबॉर्डिनेट्स थे. धीरे धीरे इन्होंने अपने राजाओं को, ओवरलॉर्ड्स को ओवरथ्रो किया, इंडिपेंडेंटली अपना चार्ज संभाला. To become the Kshatriyas, they had performed the ritual like Harnaya Garbha in the mid. और इसकी एग्जाम्पल है दंती दुर्गा. राष्ट्रकूटा चीफ overthrew his Chalukya overlords and they make their contribution and made their own kingdom in a very successful way. How much time you will take to learn? 2 minutes? Okay, 5 minutes. I'll give you 2 minutes. You just revise and then I am going to listen from Shubhra. Shubhra, is it okay? Shubhra, are you there? Aditi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा जी, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, थर्ड क्वेश्चन देख लीजिए आपकी बैक एक्सरसाइज में. What did the new dynasties do to gain the acceptance? नई डायनेस्टीज अपने आप को लोगों द्वारा एक्सेप्टेंस करवाने के लिए क्या कर रही थी? क्या कर रही थी? They had gave acceptance by giving the new kind of administrative system. They had given the new administrative system. They made splendid temples. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे अच्छे temples बनवाए. Bronze image of deities so that the market around them can set up in the proper way. They have given land grants to the Brahmanas, those who were writing the Prashastris. Prashastris क्या था? The plates on which the good points of the kings were being mentioned. Grants which were given them to the Brahmanas in the recorded on the copper plates. Then they shared their powers with their Samantas and association of peasant traders and Brahmanas. Is it okay? They had made the new administration. They had made the temples. They had given placed the new bronze deities. They had given the land grants to the Brahmanas who had given them writing the good point on the Prashastris. And they had also shared their power. किन किन के साथ power share करते थे? ब्राह्मणास के साथ, ट्रेडर्स के साथ और peasants के साथ. Peasants traders, association of peasants traders and brahmanas. Is it okay? हो जाएगा? People हो जाएगा बेटा जी? What kind of irrigation work were developed in the Tamil region? Tamil region में कैसा irrigation work हुआ था? Kaveri branches of the several small channels. कावेरी नदी को बहुत सारे small channels में बांटा गया था. Water from the channels provide the necessary moisture for the irrigation. Cultivation of rice was being practiced. Agriculture developed in other part of Tamil Nadu in 5th and 6th century. Forest had to be cleared, land had to be leveled, and delta region embankment होता है उसके घेराबंदी, मतलब उसको properly area जो है वो determine कर दिया गया था. ठीक है. And some areas well was also dug. Irrigations were required to organize labor and resources, and they had also used rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting हमने देखा है ना कि मुगल्स के भी टाइम पर होती थी. इनफैक्ट चोला टाइम पर भी rainwater harvesting जो है वो होती. Is it okay? So points learn रह जाएंगे. Aditi? Okay, fine. Next question है last question. Because मुझे है कि मैं सारे एक बार रिवाइज करवा दूं. What were the activities associated with Chola temple? Chola temple में कौन-कौन सी activities चलती थी? There were the center of craft production. जो चोला के temples थे ना, they were the nuclei. Nuclei होता center. मतलब major center of attraction. They were the center of craft production. Temples were also endowed with the land rulers as well as other. टेम्पल्स का जो लैंड होता था वो किंग भी देता था और बाकी जो रिच लैंडलॉर्ड्स होते थे वो भी देते थे. They maintaining all special worked at the temples were priests, garland makers, cooks, sweepers, musicians, and dancers. Temples were not only a place of worship but also they were the hub of economic, social, and cultural life. वहां पर सारे काम होते थे, इसी कारण वहां पर पॉपुलेशन भी ज्यादा होती थी और वहां पर जो है इकोनॉमिक प्रॉस्पेरिटी भी ज्यादा होती. दैट इज व्हाई टेम्पल्स जो थे they were considered to be as a nuclei of a city. I hope now it is being properly revised and you will be able to learn. So tomorrow we will be going to revise our Delhi Sultanate. ठीक है? Is it okay?